Hello scholars, welcome to Shalom. Today I'm going to give you untold secrets to get a job in top MNC company in India easily. So watch the video completely till the end.
Number 1. Research and target the right companies. Identify the top MNC in your field of interest. Look for companies that align with your skills, qualifications, and career goals. Number 2. Build a strong resume. Tailor your resume to highlight your relevant skills, experiences, and achievements. Make sure to showcase any international or cross-cultural experiences that you may have had. Number 3. Network extensively. Networking plays a crucial role in accessing job opportunities in top MNCs. Attend industry events, join professional association, and connect with professionals working your desired companies. Shalom Global Infotech is a valuable platform for making connections in staying updated with the job openings in India easily. Number 4. Polish your language skills. Fluency in English is often a requirement for jobs in top MNCs. Enhance your language skills through courses, practice, and immersing yourself in an English-speaking environment. Number 5. Gain relevant experience. Internships, part-time jobs, or volunteering in organizations with a global presence can help you gain valuable experience and make your resume stand out. Number 6. Develop cross-cultural competence. MNCs value employees who can work efficiently in diverse teams. Showcase your ability to adapt to different cultures and work in multicultural environments. Number 7. Enhance your technical skills. Stay updated with the latest industry trends and technologies. Acquire certifications or take relevant courses to strengthen your technical competencies. Number 8. Prepare for interviews. Research the company thoroughly and be prepared to answer questions about the values, missions, and industry trends. Highlight your relevant skills and experience during the interview process. Number 9. Be open to relocation. Many top MNCs have operations in different countries. Be open to the possibility of relocating if you want to work for a specific company. Number 10. Stay persistent and keep learning. Getting a job in top MNC company in India is so competitive. Stay persistent, keep applying, and continuously update your skills and knowledge to stand out from the crowd. Remember, it may take time to effort to secure a job in a top MNC company in India. Stay focused, keep enhancing your skills, and remain determined throughout the process.
I believe this video is so useful to all of you. If you like this video, like, share. To get more update, don't forget to subscribe and put your valuable comments. This is Samuel Chinnatambi. I'll catch up in the next video. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.